In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make coding examples using Chatgpt in just 5 minutes. This process is quick, efficient, and perfect for those of you looking to generate coding examples with ease. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, leveraging the capabilities of Chatgpt can enhance your coding workflow and provide new insights. Let's dive in. First, you need to open Chatgpt. This is your starting point, and there are a couple of ways you can do this, depending on the platform you're using. You can visit the Chatgpt website directly if you're on a computer or tablet, or you could open the respective app if you're using a mobile device. Once you've got Chatgpt open and ready, you're all set for the next step. The next thing you want to do is create a new chat. This is a fresh start where you will input your instructions and receive tailored responses. Just look for an option to start a new conversation, which is usually pretty straightforward to find. Once you have a new chat open, it paves the way for a productive session with the tool. Now, it's time to decide what kind of coding example you want. Maybe you're interested in Python, JavaScript, or perhaps you need help with SQL. Have a clear goal in mind. This makes the entire process more focused and ensures that the examples you receive are relevant to your needs. Take a moment to think about the kind of project or problem you're working on and how Chatgpt can assist. With a clear goal, you're ready to write a prompt. This is where you communicate your needs to Chatgpt. Be specific and clear. For instance, instead of saying, "Help me with Python," you might elaborate and say, "Can you provide an example of a Python script that connects to a database?" Clarity in your prompt is crucial as it guides Chatgpt in generating the most useful response. Sometimes, the initial response might need a bit of tweaking. Don't hesitate to ask for explanations or improvements. If something doesn't make sense, or if you need a more advanced version of the code, simply request it. This interaction is where Chatgpt shines, giving you the flexibility to learn and adjust as you go. Once you've received a satisfactory coding example, go ahead and copy the generated code into your preferred coding environment. This could be any IDE or editor where you perform your coding tasks. Make sure that everything is formatted correctly once pasted, which will minimize errors when you run it. Finally, it's time to run the code and see if it works. Pay attention to any errors or outcomes. This is where you implement what you've received and test it in real time. Often this step might involve some trial and error, but that's all part of the coding journey. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to make coding examples using Chatgpt. With practice, this process can become an integral part of your coding routine. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.